Hey guys, so today my sister and I, my nephew and my daughter decided to make a lemonade stand in the heart of Brooklyn, BED-STUY. So we built our stand from scratch because we didn't want our typical old lemonade stand. We wanted this stand to stand out. And trust me, it did. So the supplies that we needed was like 2 pallets, a shelving board, and 2 small pieces of wood for the sides to hold up the lemonade sign. And that is it. It was 1, 2, 3. It wasn't hard at all. You just needed to know your exact nail size to make sure that when you drill it, the nails go through the wood. So this literally probably took us no more than an hour. It was super easy, super fun because it's something that we was really itching to do. So yeah, the turnout was great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe this may inspire you to get up and do something in your community.
Come out and get y'all lemonade today.